For contact, we have a community role that defines the Magentrix persona and community user determining if the user has access to the portal. For contact, we have two sections. Let's go to the contact layout. The first section is for the community user. We'll call it Partner Portal Access Management. And the fields we're going to have here are community role, which is a drop down, and community user, which is a checkbox. We're going to add another section. We're going to call this section Partner Portal Training. And the fields we want to add here are total courses completed, total courses failed, total courses pending, total courses requested, and total courses assigned. There is a related list we can add here, and that is courses and certification. Next, we're going to configure account.